Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and here are some of the before and afters on a Nissan Altima that we worked on earlier this week. Interior wise, there was a lot of work that we had to do. I actually last saw this vehicle 3 years ago and was able to kind of reset things then, and since then we've had a lot of dirt, sand, and life just kind of happen along the ways that we need to do a really good deep cleaning on door jambs, plastic, leather, carpets, and mats. Especially our carpets and mats, there was a lot of heavy soiling within them. It's a light colored interior, and so it's just going to show all of that dirt that's accumulated over time. We really had a lot of coffee or tea stains back here, which I'm not 100% sure what the origin of it was. It was a tannin stain of some sort, but we ended up doing about 9 hours total on this detail. And I know a lot of times we show you the entire process being done, but in 9 hours, we were able to undo about 3 years of dirt, soiling, and a little bit of neglect, and be able to transform this vehicle for our customer. Especially these carpets and mats, there was some sort of leak under this the seal here, so we had some moisture under our mat. I'm glad we were able to address that, so that way we could prevent mold and mildew from gathering. But we really have a lot of work cut out for us on this interior. Exterior wise, we've got just as much work cut out for us on the outside as we do on the inside. We've got caked on brake dust, neglected tires and wheels and wheel wells with a lot of tar all over the vehicle. Heavy road film has accumulated. It's been long overdue for a good heavy wash, clay towel treatment, and we're also going to go ahead and do a paint enhancement. We actually even just did a quick engine bay cleaning. When the customer brought this vehicle to me, I actually, when I came to greet them, I could hear a sound, and it sounded almost like their engine was overheating. So we did an engine bay cleaning just to kind of see if there was any sort of issues, but come to find out there was actually a screw in their left driver's side tire. So we ended up changing that and putting their donut on, so that's why you'll see at the very end there's kind of the donut tire on the vehicle. But it was a night and day transformation for this customer. I'm going to put the links to all of the products that I used in the after portion, as well as down below in the video description box. But here you go. This was 9 hours of work, and you could see our mats, we actually soaked them in a bucket of OxyClean for about 45 minutes just to try to help loosen some of the soiling that was within them. And you'll notice that I'm using a carpet stamp. This is actually from Poseidon Auto Works. I'm going to put the link to them down below for those of you that are looking for something to customize your interiors for your customers. I think it is so freaking cool. I absolutely love it. A lot of my customers love the carpentries, but some don't. And so if you're looking for a cool way to customize your interiors, I'll put the link for it down below for those of you that want to check them out for yourself. But night and day transformation on our carpets and mats. Our leather looked fantastic. Door jambs, we were able to do a quick degreasing. We did that wash and decon on our paint, and then the paint enhancement with McKee's 37, their new graphene polish, really did a beautiful job of restoring gloss and shine to this vehicle. And then we topped it with G-Technique C2V3 just for even more protection and easier maintenance for the customer moving forward. So hopefully you enjoy this quick look at what we were able to do on this Nissan Altima, and we're going to put the links to everything down below. But make sure you guys stay tuned for future details that we have coming out. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like content like this, being able to see some of the satisfying before and afters. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next detail. Have a wonderful day.